Fox later today.
It's on Fox right now.
Okay, I bet it is.
That was very entertaining for the last year and a half. Peter, I read one of the interviews she has done over the last week or so, and there have been a million of them. And she said at one point that when she was preparing that big book of answers she has there, that has the official government stance, the White House stance, that she would try to figure out what question or questions will Peter Doocy ask. So that, you had her guessing.
And I would say in that montage, which is great, good job to the Fox and Friends team for pulling all that stuff, a lot of very serious topics, but it could be sporty, and that's fun, and that's okay. And something that you notice there, it's not just me asking questions. She would ask me questions right back. When I would go in there with something that was not part of the White House talking point for the day, she would ask me every single time, who was saying that about us, or where are you getting that from? And so I always had to have it ready right away. And I think that all that extra homework that I knew I had to do, because